Hi guys, welcome back to the course. In this lecture we'll talk about arrays. So arrays are same like variables, but in variable we can only save, in local variable we can only save one value, or we can assign one value to one local variable. But in arrays we can actually save information or details, or multiple values. So I will just make a copy of this page, save as, and this will be arrays.php in the same folder, php_tutorials. Save, and I will remove this form now from here, and will also remove or cut this, and will paste it inside the body tag. So you can also see that we can write the PHP inside the body tag. We'll change the title to PHP arrays. Set. Now as I told you, if we create a single variable like name is equal to Barack Obama or whatever, Abdul Wali. So this, you can store a single value inside this local variable. But if you just say name more, this is just a local variable, and equal to, then write array. So when you write array, that becomes blue in its style, so you can see that. And there's two parentheses and then the semicolon, so this semicolon declares the line. Now inside this array, or these two parentheses of this array, you can add values as many as you want. For example, you have to add two inverted commas, and then the normal comma, then inverted commas, and same like that. And now you can add any value here you want. For example, name more like Abdul, John, like London, and Tom and Jerry. So these all values are stored basically in this single variable, but this variable actually has an array, this array. That is really simple thing. Now if I echo the name variable, this one, and I just go to my page in the folder that I created, it is the arrays.php. click this Abdul Wali, so that's mean this has only one value, Abdul Wali. Now if I say okay, this is fine, nice, so if I say okay, I just say name more variable. If I echo that out, Control S to save, I refresh the page, and I see array to string conversion. There is a problem. Let me see what is the problem. Oh, sorry, I have to actually say that which position of the array I want to access. You have to add these two square brackets, these small brackets. I need to say 0. So 0 means I will get the first value from this array, and the position starts from 0 here in the array case. So you have to add 0 if you want to access the value number 1. Control S to save. Now press the page, and you see Abdul, and same like that. If you say okay 1, Control S to save and refresh, you see Abdul and John. And you can also add a BR, whatever value you want to get from this array you can get. For example, if you say the 2, then you will get this London value from this specific array, because the array variable you have already given here. Control S to save. Now just click, and you got London. So I'm actually explaining arrays to you here, the basic arrays and the very simple using very simple method, just because later on in the projects we will be creating projects, so we'll use arrays there as well. So in that case you should already know how arrays work. So basically you create an array, you add different values, multiple values, and then when you echo them out you add these two square brackets. That means this is an array, and from the array position wise, or you can add the name of the information you want from there, but you can also add positions like 0 1 2 3. The 0 means the first value, 2 3 3. I add 4 here, so I will just get this Jerry value because this is on the 4th position, basically on the 5th position, but array starts from 0 position. So I will get this value. Control S to save, refresh the page, and here you see Jerry. That's simple and nice. Now after discussing these arrays, in next lecture we'll talk about data types.